welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy unboxings of all sorts of subscriptions, monthly boxes, quarterly, bi-monthly, a little bit of travel and adventures, a little bit of product and makeup reviews, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel and make sure that you also hit the notification bell. That way every time I upload a video you will be notified and you won't miss a thing. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, woohoo, welcome back my beautifuls. Thank you for joining me today. I am here with you guys with something that I won a giveaway. Woohoo, go me. I won a giveaway. I won a 3-month giveaway from a box, and the name of the box is Privately Yours with a Z at the end. Okay, I'm so excited. So this is my first box. This is my first box of the giveaway. So this is their December box. Thank you so much for picking me as a winner. Woohoo, I'm so excited about this box. Okay, so let's get started. Privately Yours is a self-care subscription box for women. We believe private moments heal the soul. As mothers, wives, and professionals, we barely get a private moment to relax and heal from the world. Private Yours has busy woman in mind and seeks to find products that enhance private moments and make your soul smile. There is nothing more important than your self-care, which I agree 100%. That's why we've curated a subscription box that is delivered to your door. You deserve something privately yours. So it's curated with love. You receive between 5 to 7 full-size products, totaling a retail value of $50 to $100. All of their products are the highest quality and are sure to kickstart your self-yearning. 100% satisfaction guarantee. What's in the box? So you receive yummy treats, organic beauty, literature, spot lugs, jewelry and accessories, and wonderful surprises. Box is $29.97 a month. You can do month to month, you can do a 3-month prepay, and you could do a 6-month prepay. Woohoo, that's awesome. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started, guys. I'll show you guys the box again. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what's in here. So my hair's like all over the place. Privately Yours. This is so cute. Look how cute that is in the inside. So, okay, I have 2 cards here. 3. Okay, so it says you deserve something privately yours. We are so excited to introduce our December box called Private Cheer. Imagine yourself on Christmas Eve after all the presents have been wrapped and under the tree, after you've toiled through the season and make sure all of your friends and family are taken care. Why not sit down with your PY box, privately your box, and take care of you. This box was designed just for that private moment. Self-care is especially important during the holiday seasons. That is true because we are like so busy. And we have made sure you have all the products that you need, whether it is beauty or relaxation or sneaking in a quick treat. You will find it in this month's box. Enjoy. And hey, if you feel so moved, take pictures or do a video opening the box and give us a review on social media. Woohoo! So anybody can do a video review. You guys get this box, make sure that you always, any box, make sure that you always leave a review. It really helps them a lot, especially if it's a good one. So introducing Private Cheer. So this is my information card here. It just lists all the items, but I don't have any prices. Okay, and then I have Privately Yours, 10 ways we can serve you. Subscription yourself, Privately Lux Christmas box, Private Lux birthday box, prepay. Oh, so they have like a whole bunch of stuff. This is not just, they just don't do the monthly box, but they have other boxes as well. Corporate conference gifts, new customer thank you gifts, a new mother box, a girls trip box, and Mother's Day box. Oh, I would love to get the Mother's Day box. That would be so cool. I want what it's the Mother's Day it's all about. It must be like super good. And then I have a card here that says Organics by J, simple, natural, and effective. So that's what I have there. And then look how nicely this is. I have no idea what's in here, guys. I'm so excited about this box. I'm so excited that I want to give away. I hardly like everyone's giveaways like that. Okay, so I'm like super excited. Super excited. All right, let me try. Oh, I don't want to like mess this up. This is so cute. So adorable. All right. Okay, here we go. Ooh, there's so many goodies in there. Look at that. Okay, I already see something that I love, and I have a whole bunch. So it's a cozy socks. Woohoo! Who doesn't love these? And they're so cute. Look, I'm gonna wear these tonight. So my first item, guys, is the Christmas cozy socks. Let me see. Chun, chun, chun. Okay, they are from Jack and Smith, and they are cold floors. Murder mushrooms and fuzzy socks. We are butter soft. So it doesn't really say a lot. Okay, but I can tell you guys about. I can describe the socks for you guys. Okay, because that's what I'm here for. Right? To tell you guys. So the socks are like super soft. Oh, they smell good too. They are super soft, guys. Super soft. I love it. And then let me see. They are a size 9 through 11, hand washed and cold water drip dry. So, oh my God, they feel so soft. Oh, they go with my headband, my Christmas headband. I'm in the Christmas spirit, guys. I hope everyone is. This pandemic doesn't really help much, but you gotta do the best that you can. My next item is this right here. Okay, these are 2 reusable face rounds. Oh, these are so cute. This is like for you to wash your face. So care instructions: wash and dry with light colors. Do not use fabric softener. Look how cute. So these are facial. These are. Oh, I'm trying to get one out. And they're like super soft too. So they're not really like those, because I have a few that they're like scrubs. This one is like actually like super soft. I can probably use this to remove makeup and stuff like that too. So face cleanser. So yeah, I guess you can use it however you want, or however, whatever your need is. My next item. Oh, let me see the information card. I didn't do that. So this is from Epically Embroidered. Let me see. No, it just says face rounds. It doesn't say, it doesn't have any other information, guys. But they're like super adorable. I'll show you guys again. They have like a Santa Claus there. What else? Okay, there we go. Oh, okay, I got one out. They're super cute. Look at that. And they're like super soft. And you can use both sides. Oh, they're so adorable. Super cute. Okay, that was my second item. Okay, my next item, it's a headband. Look how cute. I love the color. It's like a pale pink with white, and it's so pretty. And these like everybody, I see a lot of people using these. Like I have a whole bunch. Look how cute. You can wear them like that. I guess you can wear them like that, however you wish. You can probably use them at the scrunchie, right? This is your Privately Yourz box. So you do whatever you want with this box, okay? This is your box. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at my next item. From Too Faced. Whoa. I love Too Faced. So this is their Tutti Frutti Juicy Fruit Comfort Lip Glaze. Ooh. And it's the Fruit Punch one. I don't think I have this one. Let me see. No, I don't. Oh, I don't have this one. I think I was missing this one. Look how cute that is. I love that color. Let's see. And they smell so good. Oh my God, they smell delicious. Look how pretty that is. I'll do a quick swatch for you guys. Look at that. Oh my God, so beautiful. That color is so, I love the color. It's so cute. And it smells so good. Whoa, I received something from Too Faced. I love Too Faced. Excited about that one. And my next one, it's a 100% handmade, and it's goat's milk and oat milk soap. Oh, so this is from that Organics by Jay um card that I first pulled out the box. That's the name right there. If you guys want to go on their website and purchase some stuff. And this is the soap. It smells good too. So it has coconut oil, palm oil. What else does it have? I can't see. Simple, natural, and effective, and it's a 1.5 ounce. Ooh, so cute, right? I'll show you guys again. Okay, my next item is Organics by Jay. So it's the same company again. Get Refresh Soak. So this is, it has sodium, baking soda, Epsom salt, dried peppermint leaves, 100% tea tree oil. So, oh, it smells good too. So this is a it says here Get Fresh Soak. And it's a lot in here, guys. This is a big bag. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a lot, and it's actually heavy because there's a lot of product in there. Super excited for that one. Ooh, look how cute this is. So this is a Aloha Aina. It's a hibiscus passion pure Hawaiian soap. Ooh, I got a soap from Hawaii. I have a Hawaiian soap. I don't want to break the box because it's so cute. I love the flowers. I don't know if I can open it then without breaking it. Let's see. I really don't want to. I might have to, just a little bit, just a tiny bit. Cause, oh my goodness, guys, this smells delicious. Oh, this smells so good. And look how big this is. And it has the name there. It's Hawaiian Natural. Oh my God. Oh, I need to find their website. I need to order more of these soaps because it smells super good. Oh, look at that. And it's big and heavy, guys. It's big and heavy, like super big. My hair's like all over the place, right? What do you guys think about my highlights? So, like I just talk about anything at random times, right? So my next item is going to be this right here. We gotta make this video fun, right? What are these? So these are vitamin rose. So I guess these are like little sprays for what? Let's see. Smells so good. So these are like, I don't know if they're perfumes or air fresheners because they, oh, you know what? I have a card. Hold on. Hello. So what are they? Or so they are vitamin B rose lemonade. They are a vegan facial toning mist with two of the major ingredients being rose water and lemongrass. So they are concentrated, will leave your face fresh, light, hydrated, and glowing. Oh, so these are for the face. No wonder they smell so good. Oh my God. I can't wait to use these. And look how cute. They came in a little bag, in a little satin bag. Look how pretty that is. And it's pink, my favorite color. So I really love it. Ooh, my next item, guys. So this is, it's a wine glass. So it says, cheers, Privately Yourz 2020. Oh my God, how adorable is that? Oh, this is going to my kitchen. So pretty. I love it. Love the colors too. Okay, my next item is going to be, this is the good part. This is the good part now, guys. So it's from Butter London. It's a little Londonnaire. Londonnaire? London? Who knows? I know I'm not pronouncing that correctly, but what? Butter London, I love that brand, guys. Look at this. So it's a 4-piece eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I love. Oh my God, I love this box. Butter London, Too Faced. What? I am loving this box, guys. Oh, I can't wait to receive my January box and February. And I don't know. I might be hooked with this box. I might just subscribe to their March box. We'll see. Smells so good. Look how pretty those colors are. Oh my God. And it has a mirror. I love it. Oh, I love Butter London. And it's funny because I didn't know about this brand until BoxyCharm. My first Butter London item that I received was from a BoxyCharm box, guys. Oh, I'm dropping everything. I am like a disaster today. All right, let's continue. So my next item are going to be 2 of these, and these are the Stroop waffles. Oh my God, these Dutch caramel, these are so delicious. And I have 2. This one is backwards. No, okay. They smell so good. Okay, and my last item, this box is packed with stuff, guys. Truly packed. It's a book. No way. So it's empowering, user-friendly tips. The very act of reading this book makes you feel happier. So it's A.J. Jacobs, author of Drop Dead Healthy. So it's Bounce Back. Wow, I want to drop this stuff. How to thrive in the face of adversity. Karen Salmonson, author of How to Be Happy. Damn it. So this is the book. Ooh, I can't believe I even have a book in here. Let me see. Okay, let's see. Forward. So the first tip number 1, be a forward thinker. Bounce back assignment. Whether you're tempted to dwell in the past, repeat the single word, forward. Brainstorm one positive thought and action to use to keep you moving forward. When you're tempted to indulge in a negative, regressive behavior, swap it for one that will move you forward. Oh, I can't wait to read this. What you are going through now is normal. There is no such thing as normal. Yes, life comes with a vast array of surprises, bound back assignments. Oh, I can't wait. This is probably gonna be like my favorite book from now on. So, oh my God, guys, this box was full of goodies. I'm telling you, and the price was $29.97, I believe. And right now they have a 15% off. So go ahead and get to this website because this box is so good. This box is really good. Loving this box. I can't wait when I receive my box for January. So I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing. Bye, guys.